Welcome back to Health and Wellness for You and Your and Trey Cooks. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to properly care for your iron cookware and how to properly season your pots and pans when you first purchase them, which is giving it a protective coating to prevent stains and scratches.
Whenever you first purchase your iron cookware, you always want to read the care instructions for raw cast iron so that way your cookware will last a lifetime. When you first purchase your iron cookware, the first step is to remove all the labels and wash the pan thoroughly in hot, soapy water, then hand dry immediately. The key to keeping your iron cookware for a lifetime is to never use detergents again on your cookware. That's the only time that you would use soapy water on your iron cookware. It is very important to seal the surface of the cast iron through a process called seasoning. This makes the cookware less likely to stick, protects it from corrosion and rust, and prevents food from taking on a metallic flavor. After you first purchase your iron cookware and wash it, this is how it will often look. And after you use the iron cookware and run hot water over it after cooking, this is how it will also look at times. Your next step is to grease the pan with a thin coat of oil. I like to use olive oil. Now, I've had my iron cookware for about 6 years, and the key to keeping your iron cookware for a lifetime is to always keep the pots and pans oiled. You never want to see them dry, because once they get dry, they start to rust, and there are health hazards when cooking on rust. So you always want to make sure you keep your iron pots and pans well oiled at all times. Okay, so far we've purchased our iron cookware from the store. We removed the labels, we washed it with hot soapy water, we put a coating of oil on the pot or pan, and now the next step is to turn the oven on 150, and we'll put the iron cookware in the oven for 1 hour. Some ovens will not go down to 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so just get it as close as possible. On this oven, we have it set at 170 degrees Celsius, and that's okay. After 1 hour, we're going to take our pot holder and take our iron cookware out of the oven, and that's it. We're all finished. We have well-seasoned, protected iron cookware for you and your family that can last a lifetime as long as you continue to follow the care instructions and continue to properly clean and oil your iron cookware regularly. Okay, so a valid question is, if we're not using soap anymore on our iron cookware and we burn something in there and we cannot easily clean it, what do we do? All right, so the first thing we do is use our scrubbing brush to try to clean our iron skillet, just like we do after we cook every time. Once again, we do not use detergents after the first initial cleaning, after you first purchase your iron cookware. So we just use our scrubbing brush and hot water. Once we've scrubbed and we see that our iron skillet is still not coming clean, our next step is to take some apple cider vinegar and some sea salt, and we will boil it in the iron skillet on top of the stove. I'm going to speed up the video for you a bit. Okay, next I'm going to list some benefits of cooking with iron cookware. Cooking with iron cookware can improve iron intake. It can boost iron intake, especially beneficial for those prone to iron deficiencies or anemia. The iron from the cookware leaches into the food during cooking, adding to your dietary iron intake. Another benefit is even heating. A natural non-stick surface, enhanced flavors, versatility. You can use your iron cookware on a variety of surfaces, including stovetops, ovens, grills, and even on campfires. Iron cookware is durable. It retains heat. It's cost effective. It's chemical free, meaning unlike some non-stick coatings that may contain harmful chemicals, iron cookware offers a natural and chemical-free cooking surface. This makes it a healthier option for those concerned about potential health risks associated with certain cookware materials. Using iron cookware contributes to reducing waste because iron cookware can last a lifetime. Once again, after I use my iron cookware, I use the brush and hot water to clean it off, and then I like to use olive oil to put a coating on the iron cookware because once again, the most important thing is it prevents rust.
Thank you for watching another episode of Trey Cooks. There you have it, simple and easy instructions on how to properly care for your iron cookware and how to give it the proper seasoned coating to prevent stains and scratches. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so that way you can see our future videos. Be sure to also check out our community page. Have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and love.